Okay, one of the last things we're going to go over today before the test is this Secrets of the Sun video. This is mostly a review of the video we watched in class, and we had a worksheet that went along with this. So I just want to make sure everybody gets the answers to this video, because some of these questions may show up on the exam tomorrow. So we start off here with the sun puts out more energy in 1, and that's going to be 1 second than it has been used on Earth throughout human history. The second question here, what are 2 major factors that are found in the sun's core that allow fusion to take place? Within the sun's core, it's going to have extreme heat and extreme density that are going to allow fusion to take place. Question 3, what are the little packets of energy that bring the sun's energy to Earth called? And that's going to be photons. As we move along here, question 4, how long does it take sun's light to reach Earth? It takes the light from the surface of the sun 8 minutes to get to Earth, and that's traveling at the speed of light, of course, which is 186,000 miles a second. Question 5, the sun accounts for what percent of all the mass in our solar system? And that's going to be 99% of all of the mass of our solar system. Question 6, the sunspots are how much cooler than the surrounding areas of the sun's surface? And according to the video, they mentioned that sunspots are going to be close to 1,000 degrees cooler than the surrounding areas of the sun's surface. Question 7, what is the CMEs that the sun releases? And the CMEs stand for coronal mass ejections. And then we have here questions 8, 9, and 10. Question 8, an aurora is caused when a solar storm collides with the Earth's magnetic field and upper atmosphere. We talked about auroras a little bit in class, the northern and southern lights, or aurora borealis and aurora australis, and how they glow in the upper atmosphere. Number 9, the sun goes through cycles that last about 11 years. Currently we are in a solar maximum cycle which started around 2012. And question 10, when the sun starts to burn out and run out of fuel, it will first shrink and then it will grow. So the sun is going to start to shrink or shrivel up, and as it does that, that immense gravity is going to create burning helium in its core, which will then allow it to grow as a red giant, and it will swell up and expand before it dies off. While you're getting ready for the test, one of the last things I want you to make sure that you guys know is take a look at your diagrams of the sun. There's definitely going to be a section on there where you're going to see an image similar to this one, and it's going to ask you to label the different parts. We're going to look at the core, the radioactive zone or radiative zone, convection zone, the photosphere or visible surface of the sun with its little granules, the sunspots. On the edges here we have some solar prominences coming off, almost like the solar flares or coronal loops. Then we have its chromosphere, the first layer of its atmosphere, and then finally the outer layer of its atmosphere, the corona. So make sure that you go over all the different parts of the sun and its different layers. And again, if you have questions, feel free to stop by in class and ask.